You can see it from far away right now. I'm actually setting up my system where I can control the LED light. And if you see it, look at that. Different than. Alright, so I just got my new tool set here, my toolbox. And look at this. I just got a new place because I'm actually going to be working in the little shop I built here. Alright, so everything's included in here. They give you extra blades, a cutting board, the actual X-Acto knife, a metal ruler, lighting, alright, different functions on the lighting. It changes different colors. If you guys can see, you can change it from minus, look at dim it down, and you can bring it all the way up. And then you can change the colors, alright, to different tones, right? So you could have different tones, 3 different tones. You got these helping hands here. You got additional helping hands. All right, you got a grip here. This is silicone, so you can put your solder devices in here. This is for silicone too, so any drips come on here. You put it in here, and that's it. And of course, you got your off and on button. Everything's set up. We're actually going to use it out here. That's where I got it. We're going to put it to use because we're going to solder a lot of things together. This is my favorite thing of all. I actually printed something, but melt it. You get 2 cables, marry them together. This is how you solder them easier. These are larger crocodile clips. You guys can see alligator clips. You guys can see crocodile alligator clips. You get a bunch of alligator clips. You get these magnetic. These are a magnet. So you could hold certain things, like you say a paper, you're gonna X-Acto knife, you could put it over the metal piece or something and hold on to it. So this kit's included. This is the light effect. If you guys can see that, we got different tones. I'm gonna change it out. You could lower it down. We're gonna rotate lighting. All right, this is 1 light, 2, and 3. So we're going back to this one, and then you go always dim it down. Hit the plus or minus. If you're working on any projects and you want to cut out certain things, or not only cut out, because this thing fits perfectly, right, for X-Acto knife and everything, but if you want to solder stuff, you can put it in here. This is my soldering machine. I set it up right next to it. I could actually set up the silicone. If any drips come in here, I could set it up, work on the actual projects I need to do, and don't have to worry. I like this part. All right, we're gonna use our little set here that we have because we're gonna have to solder, and this is gonna go in the positive and prepare it. Okay, we got it there. More. So we're gonna go plug this in, and we're gonna see how bright it is. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.